Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to make a return on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to DHgate. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go on our channel where you have plenty of those videos where you can see it. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So first of all, we have the search bar and all of the categories that you can find on this website. In the top right corner, we can see your profile, we can see your recently viewed stuff, your favorites, and your shopping cart at the end. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and make a return on DHgate. Well, it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is go to the top right corner, and out of all of these four options, buyer protection, customer service, say more, and the languages, you need to click on customer service. Then guys, it will bring you here to the customer service where you can go and see everything about what you want. So basically you can go click on refund, returns, anything. You can go and see the online service and ask them for anything that you want. So here we have for return and refund. You just need to click on it and it will bring you here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.